Hello friend, and welcome to our Spanish farm. We are here in the outdoor kitchen today and we're going to pickle some eggs. So we have our 7 hard-boiled eggs. We have some peppercorns and mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of each. We have some chopped red onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of salt, 250 ml of water, and 500 ml of white wine vinegar. So in a pot, we are going to combine vinegar and water, adding the peppercorns and salt and sugar. And we're going to add the onion and garlic. Now we're going to put this to a boil. And make it simmer for about 3 minutes. So the brine has finished simmering and has cooled just a little bit, and it's time to assemble. We take our eggs, hard boiled, just lump them in the jar. This could have probably been 10, I'm using 7. And then we get the brine over them. See? Perfect. Get some of that garlic still. And that is all you do. Put this in the fridge, eat after about a week. They'll be good for 3 or 4 months. Enjoy. See you on the next one.